We meet again, and welcome. Healing outside, healing you in this healing session, where we're gonna take away the negative and the negative thoughts, and bring it into a neutral state, into a positive state, to make you feel great about yourself, to make you feel motivated about yourself. We have some lavender in the spray, spraying around you. I help heal you. Heal me is heal you. To heal you, I have to make sure I am healed. And I have to help sure that you stay healed. Give me a second here. Yes, we're in another section. I think mosquitoes were getting to me over there. So I moved over here. Although I have different trees we can use for removing negative energy. I'm surrounded. Most of these trees I planted myself. We have another one I planted from a branch from a tree. Yeah. Okay. Feel the power. Feel the power of Reiki. Feel it in your soul. Feel it. Can you see that? Goosebumps come up, your hair stands up, my energy is strong. I'm sending it to you right now. I want you to feel the power and the strength to remove that negative energy out of you, to suck it out, to pull it out, to pluck it out. Snap it away. Snap it away. Snap it away. Snap it away. Pluck it out. Pull that and make it healing. Make you feel great about yourself. Heal yourself. Make you feel great about yourself. Pull out that negative energy out of you. Pull it out. 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 Take that negative energy out of you. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. That negative energy out of you. Take it out. 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 Take that energy out of you. Take it 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 out of you. Feel the power. Feel the healing. Feel the might. Feel the might of the power of Reiki. Feel it. Feel it. Lavender oil brings neutrality. It smells good. Feels good. We're out here inside. Nature, real, earth. This is how it is. Not inside, outside, face to face. It's like I'm there with you right now. No matter where you are on this planet, I am there with you. I'm sending you healing. I'm sending you divine love, healing, the power of Reiki, the power of the life force energy that surrounds us, around us, always. You go out of whack, you lose your way because negative influencers have come your way. I'm here to shed them away, pull them out of you, to bring you positivity, to feel positive. And if you can't feel positive, you're put into a neutral state. Negative, neutral, positive. You want to go from here to positive. Some of you can't, so you go to positive, you go to negative to neutral. You're in between, but at least you're out of that negativity. So you can feel and you can think with your mind again. You don't have to think about negative thoughts. Negative thoughts, they come into your head. They make you feel sad, worried, confused, angry, miserable. You get arrogant. You get rude to people. You get aggressive. You think you're better than somebody else. You don't want to think that's all negative. You don't want to think like that. You want to be gentle, friendly, nice, kind, generous. You want to be great. You want to be good-natured person. You want to feel great about yourself. No matter who you are, partner, lover, significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever you are, it doesn't matter. What matters is you are happy. You are positive or neutral, out of that negative state of mind. You want to feel good about yourself. I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to feel great. I want you to feel happy and prosperous. I want you to feel abundance. Being positive, your mind is clear. You can think of abundance, wealth, money. Good things can happen to you that day. That day I did abundance, I did very good. I was able, I was lucky. Everybody should have made out that day. That video is very powerful. It's not just words, it does work. When the moon is out, we're going to do a night one. And the moon is shining in here, it's bright, perfect. At the moon, you see the moon behind us, hitting the screen. Perfect, we'll do one of those healings. But right now, it's a partly cloudy day. I'm trying to take out your negative and make you positive or neutral, make you feel good about yourself. We can do a 360-degree spiritual shield. Okay. And I feel good. And I feel wonderful. Let's see. I found some place to stay. You gotta feel good, you gotta feel great, you gotta feel wonderful. You gotta feel good, you gotta feel great, you gotta feel wonderful. You feel good, you gotta feel great, you gotta feel wonderful. Good, 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 great, 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 great. You're gonna feel wonderful. Positive. Positive or neutral. Get out of that negative state of mind. Think positive. Think straight. The crown chakra. Third eye. The root. It's all, well, your root's down here. Your throat chakra. Your heart. Your solar plexus. Your sacral chakra. And the root. This substitute you. You're standing in front of me. This is how it works. This is like me healing you right in my presence. And that's you right there. See how it works out? I have you about maybe about 5'7". Okay. Hey, you're here with me, and that's what matters, you know? I want you to feel good. This is pure positive energy. I do Reiki. I'm a psychic healer, very powerful. And right now, we're just doing Reiki. We're not doing shamanism or anything. We're just doing Reiki, okay? Shamanism is a different ball game, and that has to be done in person. Take out the negative out of you. Plug it out. Sun is up now. There's the sun right there. You channel sun's energy to you. send the power of the sun. I send it to you. Channel it through me to you. I send the power of the sun. I channel it to you. I see a blue spot and 2 green spots. That's a good sign. Okay. Get out that negative energy. Negative energy remove yourself. My third eye opens up. Now turning yellow, orange, healing. Gosh. This is good to come outside. I can touch the sun and heal you too and make you feel great. And you hear nature and the birds. They're singing all around us. It's peaceful. Don't you feel it? You can feel it. You can feel the energy. That should be straight. Powerful healing to you. Powerful might to you. Sending you love, sending you healing, sending it all to you. Make you feel strength of the will, of the power of Reiki. With the crystals and the stones that are very powerful to you, to heal you no matter where you are. To take that negative, to put it into neutral. To put it to neutral, to put it to positive. To make you smile again. Be happy again. Be great again. Be yourself again. Be who you are. If you can't be positive and you can't be happy, you're neutral. You stay neutral. Neutral. You are neutral. That's where you are. You stay neutral to yourself and to your well-being. You are a positive individual no matter who you are. You care, you love, and you send love to everyone here. As I send love to you, I send you the divine love, I send you the divine healing, I send you abundance of joy and laughter to you. I send you the power of healing. That's what this video is, the power of healing. Send you the power to love again, the power to share again, the power to be happy again, the power to be romantic again, the power of love, the power to be straightforward, pleasant, positive. Accept this. Say, yes, I accept your healing. Yes, I believe in you. I accept everything you do. Reiki Master out. Very good. That's all you have to do. And the birds of nature, sing the wand, send the power. Let the sun hit the wand, charge up those crystals, send that power to you, channel it right to you right now. Actually, right now from my crystal to your, right to yours. Send you healing, send you love. Sending you healing, sending love. Channeling crystal power, healing to the sun, to you. To charging you up to healing you. The power of Reiki, charge up the crystals with the sun, which is surrounding the planet, that gives the planet life, that gives the planet sunlight, vitamin D from the sun, healing you, making plants grow, making nature start up, produce oxygen for the plants, makes you feel great about yourself. Let me give you now, I'm going to conclude this, give you a 360 degrees powerful healing spiritual shield to protect you, to make you feel healing, make you feel love, make you feel laughter, make you feel great about yourself. I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to feel healed with this 360 degree healing shield. I'm sending it to you. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so the channel can grow more and more people can find out about the channel and to help others like yourself to heal, to feel better about themselves, to feel great. That's what it's all about. 360 degree shield to heal you, to make you feel wonderful, to make you feel you again. Goodbye for now. Shante. Peace to you.